Bila, obviously this legislation was stuck in the Legislative Council where the BJP does not enjoy a majority at this time. And maybe it's not that surprising that it is being pushed through now by way of an ordinance. What are you hearing? We reported all of those stories last year from Karnataka, where there were allegations of forced conversion taking place.
Right, Shiv, when we look at the anti-conversion bill that's been pushed by the Karnataka government, we know and we see that it's been met with stiff resistance from the opposition parties who claim that this law could give sweeping powers to authorities to arm twist the minorities, to target the minorities, and also this really falls on the borderline of violating someone's civil rights, a fundamental right. What is the need in a hurry to push the anti-conversion bill at this point when there is no proof or evidence of sweeping conversions in Karnataka? In fact, a BJP leader in KGF, he was the one who flagged off a mass conversion that took place in KGF. He claimed that 13,000 people in Kolar were converted to another religion, while that matter was taken to the judiciary and an investigation was ordered into it. The government itself struck it down, saying those claims were false. So far, there has been no mass conversion that's happened in Karnataka. For the government to have brought this anti-conversion bill in such a hurry, they could not get the numbers in the council and therefore they pushed it through an ordinance. Now in 6 months' time, we hear that the Karnataka government will take it to the Legislative Council and they're more likely to pass it because the council elections is round the corner. It's very likely that the BJP will win, will have a majority, and it seems like the anti-conversion bill now has been it will be finally formally introduced in 6 months' time, so it will come to fruition. It will mean 3 to 10 years of imprisonment for anyone who forces someone to convert. But that said, you already have sections under law, under the IPC, where you can implicate someone who is forcing someone to convert. Any kind of coercion or force, there are several sections of the IPC which can be used to convict a person who is converting by force. Was there need of an anti-conversion bill? Of course, it is for the BJP to explain, as the Congress, the opposition, accuses that the BJP only now pandering to its vote base and its ideology.
Pila, stay with me. Let's listen in to J.C. Madhuswamy, the Law Minister of Karnataka, on the back of this ordinance that is being pushed through on the anti-conversion bill of Karnataka.
Cabinet has taken decision to go in for ordinance of anti-conversion law. Now we will not call it anti-conversion law, we will call it as protection of religious these things.
And sir, there will be some amendment or what?
No amendment. Without any amendment, whatever was passed in the assembly will be made as ordinance.
But instead of going to the, instead of going to the,
because in near future we are not looking at the assembly session again. 3-4 months will be there. So for 3-4 months we cannot see that ordinance, the law is kept in dark house without any publication or ordinance or enactment. So we are going for ordinance.
In that case again we will have to go to the...
Yes, we have to go before council again.